This video will cover how to use the Drug Detective Advanced Drug Wipe Detection System for surfaces. If any component of the kit has been stored at refrigerated temperatures, allow it to warm up to room temperature. The Drug Detective Kit includes the collection tube, the buffer tube, the collector, the test device, and the instructions. The surface test. To accomplish the surface test, you will need to use the collector and the buffer tube. Unscrew the buffer tube top. Hold the collector with the sponge tip facing upwards and squeeze the contents of the buffer solution onto the sponge tip of the collector. You will see a fluid level rise in the sponge tip as you add the solution from the buffer tube. Continue adding solution until the fluid level has reached the very top of the sponge tip. Now you are finished with the buffer tube and you may set it aside. Now you will use the collector to wipe the surface to be tested, in this case this phone. Move the collector sponge tip lightly a few times over the surface chosen. The collector tip can be wiped in any linear direction, swirled, or dabbed over the surface. The collector may leave buffer solution on the surface being tested. Now grab the collection tube, open its cap, and insert the collector into the collection tube. Press the sponge tip against the crossbars in the collection tube so that most of the buffer solution drains into the collection tube. You may then discard the collector. Close the cap of the collection tube. Here you can see the buffer solution in the collection tube. Thoroughly shake the collection tube for 2 minutes. Unscrew the cap of the collection tube to reveal the dropper. Holding the very bottom of the collection tube, invert the tube and apply 3 drops into each well of the test device. Wait 10 minutes and read your results. To understand what your results mean, see the Interpretation of Results section of the instructions. Any line missing indicates a positive result for that particular drug. Any line visible indicates a negative result for that particular drug. No line in the C or control region indicates an invalid test.